there, my name is Aziza and I am the ECE Program Coordinator here at WCC. I wanted to take this opportunity to talk to you a little bit about the ECE program and what it all entails here at WCC. Our curriculum here is designed for more of a holistic approach where we focus not only on the theory component, however, also the practical component. Both components are extremely important for real-life skills in the practical world. The ECE program is designed for adult learners to provide a well-balanced opportunity during the time that they are potentially working during the day and also studying to excel in their skills. In our classrooms, it's very important to build relationships and meaningful connections. And we always ensure that we build those relationships from the very beginning in our theory experience, which then follows through in the practical setting. Therefore, it's really important for us to continue to connect and build those relationships. Creating rich environments is something that is very important here at WCC and in our ECE program. We hope that you visit our website as well as contact us at our campus for further information. Thank you so much and take care.